When was the last time I tried some good Cowfoot and beans? Alright, let me rinse the meat as usual. Then I'm gonna season up with some Old Bay, some garlic powder, add some adobo all-purpose, some crushed black pepper and pimento, some meat seasoning, some fresh blend seasonings, add some browning for a nice color, then rub that in and set aside. Preheat the oil on medium heat, then add every bits and pieces of meat to sear. Next up, add some water, bring it to a boil to get all the flavor from the burnt spice and natural juices. Add a few garlic cloves, then I'm going to transfer this to the Instapot to tenderize real quick, giving this about 25 to 30 minutes on high pressure. Bring it back to the same pot and finish off with some spinners, fresh chopped seasonings and diced vegetables. Add some ketchup for extra niceness. Then add the butter beans at the end. Now it's time to enjoy this one. I'm having this with some gungo rice, by the way.